Isa sa mga affordable house and lot townhouses near San Fernando, Pampanga. Welcome to Northridge Vista located in Sitio Banlic, Bacolor, Pampanga. Unti-unti na nating nakikita ang development ng ating Northridge Vista. Isa sa mga concern ng ating mga client at isa rin sa napakahalagang dapat i-consider ng mga naghahanap ng kanilang future home ay ang construction ng bawat unit. Mahalaga na malaman kung gaano ito katibay at kung quality ang pagkakagawa ng bahay. To ensure our client na ang construction quality ng Northridge is strong and reliable, we're showing you the progress of our site. May mga blocks na po kami na next na for construction, mga blocks na ongoing na ang paggawa, and even some that are almost complete. For the houses that are already fully constructed, ang kulang na lang ay ang paglipat ng ating mga Northridge Vista homeowners. We always make sure na matibay at dekalidad ang mga bahay na itinatayo namin. Our construction uses the conventional hollow blocks CHB method, which is known for its durability and strength. Isa pa sa mga advantage ng CHB construction ay madali itong i-extend or palakihin in the future. Kung sakaling gusto ng mga homeowners natin na magdagdag ng room, balcony, or second floor extension, hindi sila mahihirapan dahil matibay at flexible ang construction foundation ng bahay. Now is the perfect time to invest and be part of this growing community. Secure your dream home here at Northridge and experience the comfort, quality, and security you and your family truly deserve. For inquiries and reservation, message us now and let us help you find your forever home here in Bacolor, Pampanga. Again, isa ito sa mga affordable house and lot townhouses near San Fernando, Pampanga. Northridge Vista located in Sitio Banlic, Bacolor, Pampanga.